Hello everyone and welcome in my English video. Today we are going to deal with a poem of Standard 10 Unit 2 2.1 You Start Dying Slowly. This fabulous didactic poem is written by Pablo Neruda. It is the pen name of Chilean writer and politician Neftali Ricardo Reyes Pesalto. His work translated into many languages. He was considered as the greatest and the most influential poet of 20th century. He was awarded the prestigious Nobel Award in 1971. Now answer some simple questions. All these are verbal questions which begins with helping verb. काही सोपे प्रश्न आहेत, साधी ओपिनियन्स आहेत. बघा, डू यू ट्रॅव्हल? याचं उत्तर मे बी यस और नो, ॲज यू थिंक. द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, डू यू रीड बुक्स? थर्ड, डू यू लिसन साउंड ऑफ म्युझिक? डू यू प्रेज युअर सेल्फ? डू यू फील ashamed to take help of anybody? Do you change your routine? Do you wear colorful dresses? Do you speak to stranger? Now these some questions which answers helps us to understand the poem. जर उत्तर यस असेल तर बघा की पोएम तुम्हाला काय सांगते. मगाशी मी डिडॅक्टिक पोएम सांगितली. याच्यामध्ये दॅट मीन्स की पोएट वॉन्ट्स टू गिव्ज अस ॲडवाईस द्यायचं असतं पोएटला, सल्ला द्यायचा असतो कवितेतून. त्यावेळी अशा प्रकारच्या पोएम्स लिहिल्या जातात. काही असू शकतात. नेवर माइंड, आन्सर मे बी द यस और नो. नाव वी विल स्टार्ट द पोएम. एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट नंबर 1. You start dying slowly. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sound of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. When you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. This is the first extract. Now what poet wants to tell us? If you do not travel, you will sit where you are. तुम्ही केवळ विचार करताय, इथं फिरायचं आहे, सिंगापूर बघायचं आहे, केरळ बघायचं आहे, पण पाऊल उचललं नाही तर यू विल सिट वेअर यू आर. यू कांट एन्जॉय द ब्युटी ऑफ वर्ल्ड. तिथंच बसून राहाल आणि जग पाहता येणार नाही. सो कीप वॉकिंग, ट्रॅव्हलिंग. अदरवाईज काय होईल? यू स्टार्ट डाईंग स्लोली. इफ यू डू नॉट रीड, नाव द बुक्स आर ओशन ऑफ नॉलेज. You will not get connected with world, and then you start dying slowly. If you do not listen to the sound of life, now what is mean by sound of life? Music. Music is the sound of life. If you can hear sound in everything in the world. Now see, this potter is there. This potter is working to earn his bread. कुंभार त्याच्या पोट्या पाण्यासाठी मडके बनवत आहे, पण त्यातही म्युझिक आहे, जीवन गाणं आहे. इफ यू डू नॉट ॲप्रिशिएट युअर सेल्फ, ॲप्रिशिएट मीन्स ॲडमायर, प्रेज. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आय एम अ स्टुडंट. ठीक आहे, हे चालू शकतं, पण कौतुक कसं झालं पाहिजे? आय एम अ गुड स्टुडंट. कौतुक म्हणजे स्वतःचं केलं पाहिजे. What matters most is how you see yourself. जसं आपण आपल्याला बघतो, जगालाही मग आपण तसेच वाटू लागतो. म्हणून स्वतःला पहा, स्वतःचं कौतुक करा आता कौतुक फक्त सुंदरतेतच होतं असं काही नाही. कौतुक, आता ही जी कठीण परिस्थिती आहे, या कठीण परिस्थितीमध्येही चेहऱ्यावर ह्या लहानग्याच्या उमटलेल्या हास्याचंही करता येतं. आणि हे जर करता येत नसेल तर यू स्टार्ट डाईंग स्लोली, म्हणजे तुमचं अस्तित्व हळूहळू नष्ट होऊ लागतं. कारण तुम्ही छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टींमधला आनंद घेणं बंद करता. हळूहळू तुमची आनंदी वृत्ती नष्ट होते. असंच काहीसं लेखकाला यातून सुचवायचं आहे. When you kill your self-esteem, self-esteem means we respect others. The same way we should respect ourselves. We should love ourselves. However, we may be short or tall, stout or thin. We should accept this fact and give value to it and make it our strong point. There is an example of Bharti Singh, famous comedian. Everyone teases her as a fatty girl. पण ती त्याचा राग मानत नाही. ती स्वतः देखील त्याच्यावर विनोद करते. तिनं त्या गोष्टीलाच आपला स्ट्रॉंग पॉईंट बनवला आहे. सो शारीरिक सुंदरता पाहण्यापेक्षा लुक ॲट युअर इन्नर ब्युटी. इफ यू आर ऑनेस्ट, पॅशनेट, रिस्पॉन्सिबल अँड काइंड, you are the best or the most beautiful person in the world. Try to avoid these bad qualities and inculcate good qualities. Now, dare to be different. You are unique piece created by Almighty God. When you do not let others to help you, means you should be humble. Like this grass, a kind of grass is there which is humble enough to survive in any struggle rather than this tree. You should take help of others. Otherwise, you start dying slowly. If you become slave of your habits, means if you become slave of your habits, walking every day on same paths. We have various habits: not wearing helmets, breaking rules, again getting up late. What is mean by habit? Habit means what? Doing the same thing again and again. But you should change the path. रस्ता बदलायचा आहे का मग? No. Find a new way to do that things. We have heard spacewalk. आपण स्पेसवॉक ऐकलं ना, पण पाण्यावर चालणं ऐकलं का? So find a new way to do that thing. Don't become slave of your habit, and you will definitely reach the top if you overcome that habit. You will get success. If you do not change your routine, we have our daily routine. Making change in that makes us disturbed, but we should not become disturbed and enjoy it. If you do not wear different colors, we lose our aesthetic view. If my favorite color is blue, I try to purchase the things in blue color. But you should try all colors. Have you seen black and white rainbow? काय पण काय, रेनबो आणि ब्लॅक अँड व्हाईट कसं शक्य आहे? जसं ते सुंदर वाटणार नाही तसंच ते एकच मोनो कलर लाईफसुद्धा सुंदर वाटत नाही ना, जरासं नीरस वाटतं. सो बी केअरफुल अँड कलरफुल, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. Life is journey. We are moving forward by our own way. या रस्त्याने जाताना अनेक लोक भेटतात. काही लोक आपल्या समांतर चालत असतात, तर काही आपल्याला क्रॉस करून जातात. अशा क्रॉस करणाऱ्यांबरोबर जरी ते स्ट्रेंजर किंवा अनोळखी असले तरी वी शूड स्पीक. देन ओनली यू कॅन एन्जॉय युअर लाईफ. अदरवाईज you start dying slowly. Now in this poem, you start dying slowly. This sentence is repeated for few times. And another one, if you do not, this group of word is also repeated. It is called as a anaphora. It is an anaphora figures of speech. And again, this poem is a free verse poem. Means there is no rhyming words or rhyming scheme used in the poem. Okay, there is there is one activity sheet. Pause the video here, solve it and then move forward. Now see, A1 is there. Say whether the following pieces of advice by poet are right or wrong. You should write down whether it is right or wrong. Then the next one is there, complete the way. You should complete the way, the things which leads to slow death. The 4 points you should write down. And the third one is there, pick out adjective from the extract and write them with noun they describe. You should write down the noun also and the describing word also. Okay. Now the extract number 2. See, if you avoid to feel passion and their turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. If you do not change your life, when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice, Pablo Neruda, you start dying slowly. Means what again Neruda wants to convey us here? He says, if you avoid to feel passion, passion makes us lively. People with passion can change the world. For better we should follow our passion and again feel their turbulent emotions. Turbulent means unsteady, तीव्र अशा भावभावना असतात. Now our dreams, they are our passion, which makes us emotional, makes our eyes glisten, makes our heart beat fast. But if you avoid to feel it, you start dying slowly. If you do not change your life, now we all have our tight schedule. We are not changing it at any cost. But we should try to get some time for ourselves. If you are not satisfied with your job, change it. If you are not satisfied with your love, maybe your parents, friends, sister, brother, try to change your behavior to keep healthy relationship. If you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, just like rains, even your life can be uncertain. So we should risk the safe. Problems like rain are uncertain in our life. Now see the umbrella. It can give us confidence to stand against them. Now what can you do? You can enjoy that risk and uncertainty in your life. If you do not go after a dream, you start dying slowly. Whatever our passions or dreams are, आपण ती पूर्ण केली पाहिजेत. Set yourself free as a bird to reach to your destination. If you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice, you start dying slowly. Actually, people are giving us advices. Advices are free of cost. People advise us to study, but we want to play, chat with our friends. You must study, but at least spend some time with your friends. Play some outdoor games. That will make you fresh. So, running from sensible advice also can make you happy. So, it's time for change. Someday, we all will die. But on all other day, we will live. We will live the life. We will enjoy the life. So don't think of a day when we are going to die. So celebrate the life before you start dying slowly. Now pause the video here and solve this given activity. You should write down this activity in your notebook. A1 is there, whether the piece of advices by the poet are right or wrong, and complete the web things which makes life worth living. And the third one is there, pick out adjectives from the extract and write them with noun they describe. Means noun and describing words you should write down. You should write down this in your notebooks. After that, write the appreciation of the poem. You start dying slowly. In this way, we come to the end of the poem. Please give me the feedback whether you understood or not the poem. So, thank you very much.